What's good, YouTube? So we're back with another video, and today we're going to be installing Grinds USA air suspension on the 22 BRZ. So in front of us is the whole kit. We got ourselves a 3-gallon tank, 2 compressors, the slim struts, Grinds management, all the hardware, all the hoses. Although they didn't supply the hardware to mount the management, I do got extra bolts in the shop, so no worries on that. This is the controller from Grinds USA. Pretty neat. Whole bunch of buttons for different settings. Goes up to 3 different settings, and you could change the home button to however you want. Running a 1/4-inch hoses. For the trunk setup, I'm really just going to be keeping it simple. Going to be using the OEM trunk from the BRZ just to mount that stuff on. Nothing too crazy, nice and simple. Got the homie here, Yearly, to help me out. He's bagged cars before. He has this beautiful bagged Honda right there. He did everything himself too. Did his bags, did his LEDs inside, did the whole 9 yards, all him. This shit's beautiful. Hard to go VIP, this should be right here. Go ahead and follow your boy right there. Massive shout out for helping me out, brother. Really appreciate you. Yeah, it is Monday, early in the morning. Hopefully it doesn't take all day, but we're gonna knock this out, split it up into 2 different parts. He's gonna be tackling the trunk setup, all the tedious wiring and all that stuff. He's a specialist at that. And I'm just gonna be doing the struts, get everything ready, helping as much as I can. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Hell yeah! 22 BRZ versus the world. That title goes hard, bro.
But you gotta put like a Hellcat engine in it.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So this is how we're looking with the trunk setup. Yearly fucking killed it on this setup. Nice and simple. Mounted everything to the OEM trunk. So we got the management up front, 2 compressors followed by the tank. The struts are all in. We got the rear struts in. We got the front struts in. What I really like about these is how slim they are, so I don't have to bang any of the frame right here. It's just straight up bolt on to the OEM spec. What we ended up doing is running the air hose from the strut, zip tied it right here, and we went through this hole that's already there, so that was really nice that we could just run our hoses directly through this hole that's already there, that already has a grommet. That's how we're looking. Same thing for this side for the rears. We ran the air hose from the strut, zip tied it to this, and ran it straight through this hole that's already there. It has a grommet, so that's really nice. And the hoses come straight up to this hole right here. We just added this grommet on the top end. Same thing for this side, it came straight up here, so that's really nice. And what we did for the positive cable, we ran it through this grommet right there that had a whole bunch of other cables going through it. We fed it through there, fed it through this part, fed it through under the rear seat where we have all the extra cable underneath the rear seat, and then we fed it behind the rear seat into the trunk. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell fucking yeah.
She looks OEM.
It does, right? Shit.
It's real OEM.
So how we did the front struts is we connected the air hose right there to the strut. We put this thingy-majig on the frame, and then we put a hole, we made a hole right here, put a garment, and we fed the air hose through that. So this is how it came out. Nice and up against the frame so the tire and the wheel's not hitting it. From the top side, we fed the air hose up there. Air hose comes right here. We fed it through this little garment that's already there. We just made a slit in that. Ran that hose in here, and we're gonna tuck it inside of this part, make it go through the back seat, and then bring it over there. We got noise. Oh, there you go, Spanish. English. There we go, went from BMW to America.
Oh, quick as fuck.
Alright, so we are officially complete. We just gotta button up some stuff up in the car, get our sets, and we should be good to go. This is how the trunk is gonna be looking like, nice and simple. No, you're good. There she is, boys. Officially bagged. I could definitely go lower in the front, but the rears, I'm gonna have to add some more camber in order to go a little lower. But she sits nice. She sits real nice. If I want to add more camber or get smaller tires, I could definitely go lower in the back. The front, I could definitely go lower. I just have to adjust the struts. And that's about it. But right now, that's how she sits. Sitting pretty. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yup. Sitting nice. Could have not done this without the home yearly. This guy's a mastermind right there. Damn. This looks so good.
Yeah, I'm in my bag again. Yeah, I'm on your ass again. Yeah, I got a bag to spin. Yeah, but I'm saving that shit. Yeah, she throwing her ass again. I told her to bring some more friends. Yeah, for me and for all of